Remy, is this what you're looking for? Do you want it, Remy?
I need it on. Please get it. Please get it. Get it for me. Get it. I can't get it. Bring it. Get it. I can't get it on. I think I can.
He's trying to put it on while he's upside down.
I can't get it. Get it for me. Please.
Dance.
Give it to me. I gotta have it. Put it on. Put it on me. Please.
Do you want it on?
Please, I'll need it. I can't get it myself. I can't get it on myself. I have no hands. It won't go on my back.
Get it, Remy? Are you recording this?
He looked right at the camera, too. Do you want it? Remy. Uh-oh. He's getting desperate. He's gonna go find someone else to put it on.
Can I help you? Do you want me to help you? You want me to get it? You want me to get it? Think. Oh, I almost tripped. You can't get it on? You can't get it? You can't get it on? You can't? Bring it here. Bring it here.
He's trying.
Do you want to put it on? Bring it here. Remy, bring it here. Remy, bring it here. Do you want it? Do you want it on? Do you want it on? You may help you. Do you want me to help you on it? You may help you. Can we get it? Can we get it for you? Can I put it on? Can I get it? I can't get it? What are you taking it in there for? Is it garbage? Can I have it? You want it? You want it? You want it? Is it yours? Is it yours? Remy, is this yours? Is it yours? Do you want it? Is it yours? Is it yours? Give it to Andrew. Do you want it? Oh, you got it. Oh, put it on your back.
Okay, boy.
Okay.
Remy.
Andrew, I got the thing heating up over here.
I forgot how
Here,
to...
Andrew, put it on.
I know as much as wash the wings off, cake
Remy.
flour.
That's good to tell you.
Give it here, Remy. Give it here, Remy.
No.
We're gonna put it back on. Remy. It's like you don't trust us.
No.
Trust me to do it.
Here, Andrew, put this collar back on him.
Remy.
Hey, I'm getting it ready. Yes, I am. Are you ready?
He's a happy camper with my collar on.
And then once I do it, he starts to turn over.
Because he gets happy.
He lets you put it on, Andrew?
He gets all happy, it starts rolling over. Uh-oh.
I had it on the wrong way. I had it on the wrong way. Trust me, dude. Trust me. Trust me. Trust me.
He like goes on his back so Andrew will put it on.
And it should be right.
It's the third loop.
Yeah. And there we go.
Thank you.
Yeah, happy boy, Remy.